The OPPO Find X9 Ultra is expected to be one of the most powerful and camera-focused flagship smartphones of 2026. With a bold premium design, next-generation camera system, and flagship-level performance, OPPO is aiming to redefine what a high-end smartphone can do. From advanced zoom capabilities to powerful hardware, this device is built for users who want both performance and professional-level photography in one package. Let's take a deep dive into everything the OPPO Find X9 Ultra is expected to offer. Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Now introducing new OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's have a look. Starting with the design, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra is expected to feature a sleek and premium build with a glass back and metal frame. The phone may come with a refined finish and elegant color options, giving it a high-end look. One of the most eye-catching elements is the large circular camera module on the back, which not only enhances the design, but also highlights the phone's strong focus on photography. Despite its powerful hardware, the device is expected to maintain a slim and comfortable feel in hand. The biggest highlight of the OPPO Find X9 Ultra is its advanced camera setup. The phone is expected to include a high-resolution primary sensor that delivers sharp and detailed photos in all lighting conditions. In addition, it may feature a periscope telephoto lens, allowing users to capture distant objects with impressive clarity. This zoom capability is expected to be one of the strongest in its class. On the front, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra is expected to feature a high-quality selfie camera that delivers clear and detailed selfies. It will likely support advanced AI features to enhance facial details and improve lighting. For video recording, the front camera may offer smooth and stable video performance, making it ideal for content creators, vloggers, and video calls. Battery life is expected to be another strong point. The phone may feature a large battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra is shaping up to be a true flagship powerhouse. With its premium design, powerful performance, and advanced camera system, it has all the features needed to compete at the highest level. If OPPO delivers on these expectations, this smartphone could become one of the best flagship devices of 2026, especially for users who prioritize photography and performance. So guys, this is fresh information about new OPPO Find X9 Ultra. I hope you like this video. For more videos, hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel, so you will receive our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.